For its 80th anniversary, Polaroid went back to ammunition, the design company responsible for its recent products with their distinctive rainbow stripe and bright colors, for its newest camera with a built-in printer. And I have to say, it looks really fun. And not something an adult would be embarrassed to hold. The Pop, launched it says, is a 20 megapixel camera with a 3.9-inch LCD, 4 framing shots and a handful of touchscreen controls for settings, combined with its Zink-technology printer. It can also record 1080p video and store to a microSD card. Like its siblings, it connects to your phone and can act as a printer for your phone photos. To preserve the Polaroid experience, you can print Polaroid's signature border around it, though ironically, most of the people who will use these will have never had a genuine Polaroid film experience. There's no pricing as yet, and Polaroid expects to ship it in the last quarter of 2018, just in time for your holiday gift giving and receiving.